today we are at Deacon Landscaping Nursery and they have a fall festival here for the month of October, and they have also a really neat petting zoo and all kinds of vendors. So hope you enjoy to stay with us. It's a beautiful day. Did you find him? Oh my goodness, look at a little... Oh, he's not coming out. Well, you have to give him some food. Can we get some lettuce? Oh, look, there's some over here. Oh, look at that one. Oh my goodness. Look at this one over here. Oh my goodness.
Okay, go. Okay, why do I Mom?
Here, go feed this one. Yeah, there he is. Look, he's eating. There he is. Look. Be careful. Hey, bunnies! What is over here? More chickens? Oh my goodness. They have more chickens here than anything. Look! Pigs! Oof! They smell. Good job! That's one way to do it. Look! Wow! Look at that pony! I'm telling you, they have more chickens here than they do any other animal. Oh, look! Look, there's the rooster over there. You see that? There's the rooster. So now we're gonna head into this inflatable maze. So let's just see how that turns out. There you are! Hey, you found the way out! So we just got on a hay ride now, and I'm not even sure where they're taking us, but it's going to be a pretty adventure.
Yeah. And let's see what the finds out. And some people don't survive, and some people do.
So I guess we're turning around now. Wasn't much of a scenery. cheating. Do a hole in one. How many times was that? 20 already? What was that, like 25 times? Good job, Lily.
Hello everyone, it's Papa. I just showed Mama doing this. It was the ball. It is going this way. The ball is the queen. Ball, woo! The ball! Woo! Ball, the ball. The ball is going quick. The ball. The person is trying to.
Sorry, it's DJ.